Rebuild update. Wheels done, pedicoated, new wheel bearings, new chain sprockets, -1+1, DID chain, GB racing covers, GP fax front pads, lots and lots of carbon bits at the moment. They're due to be changed at some stage. Front end is intact now. Again, carbon tank cover, carbon wings, brake lever guard, wheels. That were the GB covers, they worked really well last time when I crashed. RBF 660 fluid and Lex Tech can. Right, this is the new mount we made for the AIM Solo 2 and the GoPro. Mounts on a tank and has a nylon pivot point in the centre to keep it steady. Everything seems okay. This is the